Hello, welcome. It's Pauline from Pauline's Quilters World, or better known as PQW. Great new product to show you. We've been designing up lots of new templates here for quilting to make your journey down the path of learning to quilt very, very easy. We do everything quilt as you go, and we do so on the line to produce our beautiful quilted blocks. So we're going to introduce you to set J of our template range, and we call this the Jumperoo. Kangaroo jumping across the fabric. Now we've got two different designs in this pack. We have the standing up straight looking at you Jumperoo, and then we've got the one that's taking off across the field. Fun to work with. Now, I just want to show you a few little tips on using these templates because, you know, you look at that template and you think, what am I going to do with it? So what I suggest you do, and what I do a lot of the time, is before I decide how I'm going to quilt this design out or how I want it positioned on my fabric, I start working on a piece of paper to start with. So here I've got some designs drawn up, just playing with the design to create all different elements here. As you can see, just mixing it all up, I'm going to fill up a whole block, and it's going to give me some pretty interesting designs and lines to follow. And the nice thing is, once you've drawn on paper, you'll be able to see where you'll be able to stitch as a continuous line of stitching without actually stitching the shape of each individual pattern there. Just meander around until you get the whole design, every line stitched. Then you've got your beautiful pattern appearing. So there's lots of things we can do here. We've just used the same template again, but I've got all of their big feet meeting in the middle. So now I'm creating a circular design. Now what we've also done for you, if you go to our website, which is www.pqw.com, you'll be able to find on there the free downloadable pattern sheets that you'll be able to use to create your own design. So they're all there for you, and you can create whatever style with these kangaroos that you want. And you know, like if you are overseas and you see these are one of our native animals, and that's why we're very proud to put it out as a template and have fun with it. Grab your template out of the packet, get your good quality fabric marking pen. I do always suggest, and the one I love to use is the Pauline fabric marking pen. You can mark dark fabric with the white lead, or you've got the black lead with it also that will mark your light fabric. If you make a mistake, you can erase it out. It's going to wash out of your fabric when you wash your project for the first time. Grab your template, put it on your fabric with your marking pencil, mark it, use your open toe foot on your machine, set your stitch length to around about 3, have the sew slip mat on the bed of the machine, a top stitch needle, reduce the pressure off the sewing foot, then you're just going to simply stitch on the line. And you can create some wonderful, wonderful, wonderful designs just simply by following the line. If you have to backtrack over a line of stitching, that is perfectly fine. Just keep going around, working your way around to get the whole design stitched. And I think you'll be delighted with your result. So till we meet next time, happy stitching. Bye for now.